So I also got this taillight that I'm going to install on the CBR600. It's a nice integrated, or not sequential, just integrated brake turn signal light. We'll throw this on. I also got a license plate bracket right here that I'm gonna throw on. This is just gonna go right, I don't know if you can see it right there. It's gonna mount just like that. Nice and clean. So I got everything hooked up, kind of cleaned it up, put some zip ties on there. Looks a lot cleaner than what it used to look like. Looks way cleaner. Looks really good. in the video, but the CBR is officially done. It turned out pretty good. There's a few things I did miss in the video. I did a pretty poor job at recording everything. Like I missed recording, putting on the tail section. I missed putting on the front fairing. I just didn't do the best job at recording everything, so I apologize for that. A lot of stuff, it was a long time frame as to putting all this stuff on. I didn't do it in one day, so I missed quite a few things with the recording. But I also put different grips on, put some bar and mirrors on, cleans up the front end, gives it more of a sleeker aerodynamic look. Put a different front master reservoir on it. The old one was just beat up. It just looked like poop. Got a different seat since the old seat had a crack right here. Put that thing on. But yeah, the CBR is, dude, it is done. It looks really good. It's wrapped up. The build is complete. I figured next video I'll do like a moto vlog and kind of just record myself riding the bike and just go over how it handles, how it feels, what the bike is like after rebuilding it and doing all this stuff to it, see how it handles, make sure it rides properly. But yeah, that should be a fun video. It was a fun build. I really enjoyed this. I hope you guys did. And yeah, see ya!